We are going to take a couple massage here in Bangkok. So ang plano namin today is pupunta kami sa Chatuchak, sa Bang Siu Junction. And we foresee na medyo mapapagod tayo because it's a whole day of walking. So ang gusto namin is at the end of the day tayo ay magpapamassage. So this is what this vlog is going to be about. Thailand, Bangkok is also known for their Thai massage, di ba? Tayo sa Pilipinas, uso sa atin Nuat Thai, yung mga Thai massage, ganyan. So gusto ko ma-experience yung authentic na Thai massage talaga. So pupunta kami sa Treasure Spa and we're going to take a couple massage there. Matagal siya na massage guys ha, like over 160 minutes yata siya na massage. So very holistic yun, merong massage for the scalp, merong parang oil treatment, ganyan, facial massage, full body massage, talagang overall siya na experience. So if that's also your thing, if mahilig din kayo magpamasahe, magpaspa, this vlog is for you and panoorin nyo to. Tara, let's go! Hello! Hi, andito na kami ngayon sa Siam Square 1. We're looking for Treasure Spa. Nasa 6th floor daw yun eh. Yung schedule namin actually is 5:30 p.m. Pero they said that we have to be there 15 minutes before our session. Kaya maaga tayo right now. Ayan, nahanap ko rin siya. Ayan, Treasure, nakalagay sa taas. Ito nga, kulay blue. Hi! Ito yung loob niya. Ayan, mabango na. Buti nahanap namin agad. We were worried pa if we're gonna make it on time. Kasi 5:15 nga dapat nandito na kami. Pero umabot naman. Time check, it's 5:16. So tamang-tama. We just booked this through Klook. We got the Marrakesh couple massage. So we're going to get a private room sa pagkakaalam ko. Tapos kami lang dalawa yung nandun. Sabay na kami sa private room. Okay, they have a rest area here. Pwede tayong tumambay dyan while waiting for our room. Here, for the water. Okay, thank you. So, we are just going to wait in this area, sa lobby, habang pinaprepare nila yung room natin. So, dito muna tayo maghihintay. Thank you so much. Ayan, tubig po muna tayo, guys. Kasi pawis na pawis tayo kanina. Oh my God. Sarap uminom ng tubig. Meron sila mga nilagay dito na mga essential oils. And mamimili daw tayo what we want. So, merong rosemary, merong rose, lavender, ayan, 5 different kinds of essential oils. And then, ilalagay natin dito kung ano yung preferred natin na type of massage oil. So, ayan, kung ano yung mas feeling nyo na scent. Also, the type of body scrub. Pero hindi pa namin alam kung ano yung pagpipilian na body scrub later. And then, ayan, buti na lang may tubig, guys. Kasi kanina pa ako, uhaw na ako. Try ko muna to si rosemary. Amoy matanda. Si rosemary. Ito naman ay si rose. Ay, hindi ko naman maamoy. Wala akong maamoy actually. Lavender. You're supposed to open it. Ah, amay? Okay. O nga no. Ito, lavender. Lavender nga. Try natin ito. Rosemary. Amoy matanda. Lemongrass. Ay, parang ito yung bet ko. May lemongrass na scent. Diba? Para lang tayong lechon. Ay, oh my God. Di ba yung lechon kasi nilalagyan nyo ng tanglad? Pinapahiran nyo ng tanglad. Ilalagay natin dito ay lemongrass. Ayan. Lemongrass. Papalit na tayo ng shoes. And we are going to wear these slippers na fairness, hindi siya disposable. Ay, ang lambot ng slippers. Parang may hangin sa loob. Uunahin daw muna yung oil, yung head natin, yung scalp, I think. Mga 60 minutes daw yun. After that, magba-body scrub, and then magba-body massage using the oil that we chose. So that's another 60 minutes. And then after that, parang pressure point na massage sa face. Parang ganun. So ang magiging total nun is 165 minutes overall. So talagang full-on pampering yung mangyayari sa atin. All while being together in the room with Armand. Ayan tayo this way. Okay. Toilet here. Okay, they have a rest area here. Pwede tayong tumambay dyan while waiting for our room. Here, for the water. Okay, thank you. So, we are just going to wait in this area, sa lobby, habang pinaprepare nila yung room natin. So, dito muna tayo maghihintay. Thank you so much. Ayan, tubig po muna tayo, guys. Kasi pawis na pawis tayo kanina. Oh my God. Sarap uminom ng tubig. Ready na daw ang room namin, guys. Tayo papasok na. Oh, ito ang there's this area here. I think this is for washing the feet. Ayan, and then ito po ang aming private room. Thank you. So this is what it looks like. Ayun. Ayan, so this is exclusive for us. So their room has this so meron tayong sabitan ng clothes. They have a safe. And a vanity area right here. Ayan, with your mirror. And then they have their own shower. Oh, ay, is this a shower? Ayun, shower nga. We have our own shower.
Okay, take out everything. You change underwear.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, towel cover your body.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for you.
Okay.
Okay.
So, this is our underwear.
Yes,
ever.
underwear.
Okay. So, what's going to happen ay, ayan, meron nang binigay sa amin ng mga towels. Tapos, ito ay disposable na underwear. So, ang sabi sa amin kanina, we take off all of our clothes, take off everything, including underwear, kasi may susuotin naman kami na disposable underwear. And then, when we are done, kunin natin itong bell, and then we will ring it. They're just waiting outside. For the meantime, papakita ko rin sa inyo itong mga whatever nila dito. Ayan, may kulay black na something. Parang mask ba yan? Or ano? Body scrub siguro. Ito yung mga abubot. Tissue, ganyan. Bongga, di ba? Yan. Ito yung itsura ng room. Naka-private to. All our valuables ilalagay lang daw dito sa area na to. Ayun friends, hindi pala ako pwedeng mag-video kasi nakahubad kami right now. As in, yung underwear lang yung suot-suot. So, balikan ko na lang kayo later. Balitaan ko na lang kayo kapag tapos na yung massage. Kami po ang mga bagong gising. Grabe yung hilik namin kanina. Sarap na massage. Nag-start kami mga 5:30 and time check it right now it's ayan, mga 8:25. Mga 3 oras talaga siya. Ang sarap ng massage. Madiin pero masarap. Ganun. Hair treatment, merong scalp massage, full body scrub, as in kanina, feeling ko para akong lechon. Merong full body massage, na merong oil, tapos merong facial something din, ganyan. Tapos ang sarap ng tulog ko kanina, narinig ko yung sarili ko, yung nahumihilik. Yung hilik ko na lang yung gumigising sa akin. Ang galing. Tapos, ang bango ng lemongrass oil that they use. And then we have snacks afterwards. Taray, may pa-picture. Ito po, meron akong free cake. Ito itsura ng cake. And then, merong tea. I think this is ginger tea. Cheers! Here, I'm eating it. Wow. Yummy. Thanks so much. Cute. This is our photo. We're home na and ayun, na-relax kami ng bongga dun sa massage. Hindi namin namalayan na nag 3 hours na pala tayo dun sa massage na yon. Sobrang relax, like hilik levels, ganun. Nakatulog kami ng bongga. Ang gagaling ng mga therapists kasi they know exactly where to target yung mga points na masakit. Na parang, akala ko ako lang, pero when I was talking to Arman, parang he had the same experience. Na parang, he didn't have to tell them na, ito yung masakit na area or dito ko gusto ma-focus na point. Yun yata yung pinaka-relaxing massage that I had. Sobrang mabait pa yung staff. They were very accommodating. So, I highly recommend na you try yung Treasure Spa and get yung kinuha namin yung Marrakesh something experience. Parang ganun na 165 minutes siya overall. We got that through Klook. Medyo may kamahalan siya, over 9,000 pesos. But you can use promo codes naman like Pinoy Foodie Klook to get discounts on your booking. Make sure that you subscribe kasi in our next video, uuwi na tayo. So, pupunta na tayo sa Thailand airport. Makikita ninyo kung ano yung mga important things that you have to go through kapag papasok na kayo ng airport ng Bangkok and pauwi ng Naiya. Like, basically, we're just going to take you through the entire process. Especially yung VAT refund or tax refund. Kasi hindi siya tulad ng other countries na i-present mo lang sa store and then automatically i-refund nila doon. No, you have to actually get the refund dun sa mismong airport. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!